Hey everyone, welcome to Resultant, your ultimate guide to smashing the Edexcel GCSE Physics exam. In this video, we are diving into one of the most common and important concepts in physics, scalars and vectors. These come up in almost every paper, whether it's a multiple choice question or a calculation based on motion or forces. So, stay with me till the end and let's get those guaranteed marks. So, real exam MCQ style question. Which physical quantity is a vector? Mass, density, temperature, or velocity? So, we can divide physical quantities into two categories, scalar quantities and vector quantities. Scalar quantities only have magnitude, while the vector quantities have magnitude as well as direction. So let's move into the answers. Mass. Mass only tells us how much matter an object has. For an example, 3 kilograms. It has only magnitude but no direction, so it cannot be a vector. Imagine you have 2 kilograms of sugar. There's no direction involved in that. Next, density. Density is equals to mass divided by volume. It describes how compact matter is an object is. Again, it has only magnitude, no direction. So because of that, density is also cannot be a vector. Next, temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. It has a numeric value. For an example, 37 degrees Celsius, but no direction in space. So it's also a scalar quantity. And there's no such thing as temperature point in east, right? Next, velocity. So this should be definitely vector quantity. Let's discuss about velocity. Velocity is speed plus direction. For an example, 20 meters per second to the north. So, it has both magnitude and direction. So, that's what it makes a vector. Think more. When two objects can have the same speed, but if they are moved into opposite directions, their velocities are different. Okay, let's move to next question. This is written style question. Give a similarity and a difference between scalar quantities and vector quantities. If you have to mention similarity and difference, you need 1 point each. So, when we are discussing about the scalar and vector, we know now scalar quantities only have magnitude, but the vector quantities have magnitude and also direction. So, we have to write the first point about similarity. So, we can mention both the scalar and vector quantities have magnitude. Next, we can mention the difference. What's the difference between scalar quantities and vector quantities? Yes, only vectors have direction. Now, you know how to identify scalar and vector quantities and how these questions show up in real exams. In the next video, we will take it one step further and learn how to calculate the magnitude of a resultant force using diagrams and simple math. So, if you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Science with Done for more high impact lessons just like this. See you in the next one.